What are CBDCs? Central bank digital currencies. Instead of being completely uncontrolled, this money is completely controlled. You know cash, those bills and coins in your wallet, and you know digital money like when your parents pay with a phone? Well, some big banks, called central banks like the country's main money managers, are thinking about making a new kind of digital money called a CBDC. That stands for Central Bank Digital Currency. Think of it like this. Regular cash is like a cookie you get from the bakery. Once you have it, it's yours. You can eat it now, share it with a friend later, or even save it in your lunchbox. The bakery knows they baked it, but they don't know what you do with your cookie. A CBDC would be more like a cookie given to you inside. The bakery's special app on a tablet. The bakery still made the cookie. It's real money. But because it's digital in their app, they could see when you got it, if you moved it to another part of the app, or even if you sent a crumb to your friend. They have more ways to watch that cookie. Why would they do this? Banks already control regular money, right? Well, kind of. Banks control how much money exists, like baking more cookies or fewer. But with regular cash or even some digital money, once it leaves the bank, it's harder for them to track every single thing that happens to it. CBDCs, being digital and running on systems the central bank designs, could give them more visibility. Real-life examples? China has already tested this. In some cities, they gave people digital money, but with an expiry date. If they didn't spend it within 2 weeks, it just disappeared. Now imagine this being global. The government could say, "We think you're spending too much on fast food. We've blocked those purchases." Or, "You donated to a political cause we don't like. We froze your account." Or, "You posted something critical online. Your wallet is under investigation." This isn't imagination. This is the end goal of CBDCs, complete control of how you earn, spend, and save money. But isn't digital money already a thing? Yes, we already use online banking, PayPal, JazzCash, EasyPaisa, etc. But there's a difference. Those are middlemen. The government can request data, but they don't have total control. With CBDCs, there are no middlemen. You'll have a digital wallet directly connected to the central bank, just like a direct pipeline to your brain. So what's the risk? 1. Surveillance. Every financial move watched. 2. Censorship. Spend only where you're allowed. 3. Control. Money turned on or off based on your behavior. 4. No privacy. Goodbye freedom. Hello monitoring. It's like giving your house keys, phone passwords, and bank cards to the government and hoping they don't misuse it. Can't this be stopped? Maybe, but only if people know what's happening. Ask questions. Educate others. Support leaders who are against this level of control. And yes, explore alternatives like Bitcoin, which are harder to control. Final thought. CBDCs sound modern. They sound efficient. But what they really offer is power unto those who already have too much of it. And once money becomes programmable, the truth is simple. You won't own your money anymore. They will. So next time you hear the word CBDC, don't just nod. Ask yourself one thing. If they can switch off your money with one click, are you really free?